Happy Marvel vs. Capcom Day, everybody. Neha here with your fix for Tuesday, February 15th. If you're wondering who I am, in short, I'm a geek. Google me and you'll figure it out. So, Marvel vs. Capcom 3 does come out today, 11 years after the last one, but I guess it's like that saying, better late than never. As part of the celebration, Capcom also announced the game's first ever downloadable content. The pack will include 2 characters, Jill Valentine and an obscure Marvel tentacle thing named Shuma Gorath. You'll also get Shadow Mode, which pits you against super hard teams modeled after the developers, which, let's face it, isn't really fair. This DLC pack will hit Xbox Live and the PlayStation Network for $5 and will be available on March 1st. And if you're still debating if you should buy the game, be sure to check out our full review on IGN. Moving along, Apple might be making a smaller, cheaper iPhone. Newly reported by Bloomberg and the Wall Street Journal, this new phone is rumored to be half the size of the iPhone 4 and expected to be sold for half the price. Rumors of a bite-sized iPhone have been around since 2008, but of course, Apple keeps their mouths shut when crap like this pops up. But if a full-size iPhone is more your thing, you may want to check out IGN Gear. We have our final verdict on the Verizon iPhone 4, so come and find out if it pwns the AT&T network, which I think it just might. And in some sad trombone-worthy news, developer Bizarre Creations will be shutting down this Friday. The studio was best known for their work on the Project Gotham series and stellar hits like Geometry Wars. Bizarre was unfortunately closed down after Activision failed to find them a buyer. Bizarre Creations has been in the industry for over 20 years and will definitely be missed, especially by those of us at IGN, Parts Bizarre. And that's your fix for February 15th, 2011. I'm Neha Tiwari, and be sure to get your fix anytime online here at IGN.com.